How to fix background check in Doordash taking forever. So we have 5 solutions here. So all you have to do is follow these tips and tricks, I suppose. And this could potentially help the background check be faster, or would help you with the overall thing. So the first thing is to check the status of your background check. But once you have a good idea on how to see if either it's pending, clear, or suspended, then from there you can finally decide on what you have to do next. The second is to understand the common delays. There are court backlogs, incorrect or incomplete info, pending charges or record complexity, and identity verification issues. Now, it usually takes from 5 to 7 business days. Some checks finish within a few hours, but others can take 2 weeks or longer, depending on the above reasons. So, what can you do in order to speed it up? First is to go ahead and contact check support. So if your status has been stuck for maybe more than 7 days and it's still ongoing, go ahead and check on support. So it's over here on this website. So provide your candidate ID found in the check portal and ask for an update. So here you can go. Next one is to contact Doordash support. So on the Dash app, go to account help Dasher support and select background check issues, or just go ahead and reach them online using this one. You can also go ahead and email them using this. Then be polite and explain how long you've been waiting and ask if they can escalate the issue. Then finally, just go ahead and double check your info. If your name matches your ID, date of birth, and SSN are correct, or if something is wrong, contact CheckR immediately. So hopefully these steps does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.